If you resemble a monkey, you're doing it right. Chewing gum, chew it, elongate it and place it under your upper lip area. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and release. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Not everything that goes viral should be tried by you at home. Please be careful what you watch and try. I have seen these kind of videos that go viral with fish lip plumper device. But let me warn you about the damage the suction on your lips can create. These kind of suction plumping devices may temporarily plump your lips, but they can create a prolonged and excessive suction lips that can bruise and swell your lips. In the long run, you will only notice your lips sagging. That's not the goal. They can even damage the delicate tissues in your lips. In every video that I have seen with these kind of devices, I see girls experiencing discomfort and unusual effect, including bleeding, because you are creating a forced action which makes blood appear on places where it is not required. That's not the price you need to pay for beauty. Let's be clear. Temporary, unrealistic beauty, trust me, wrong treatments will only lose the natural elasticity and leave your lips sagging. But today, I aim to give you much better, reliable solutions that will keep your lips looking plumper than they currently are. And it is far from fillers and any invasive procedures. Do not expect unrealistic results like these. But if you have thinning lips or vertical wrinkles that are shrinking your lips over time, or if the fat pads, that is the cushion in your lips, is breaking down under your lip skin, my solutions will help you achieve soft and rounded appearance in your lips that is associated with youthfulness. If your lips are aging faster, then you need to try these 3 solutions to prevent and reverse lip thinning and lip aging. Watch this full video because I'm going to be introducing you to some of the mistakes that you are making right now that are actually aging your lips faster than your current age. As number 1 solution, here comes a face exercise. Ready? I want you to fold your upper lip inward as if you're creating a cushion between your philtrum and your gums. So use your lips as the cushion. So in this position, you should be able to see your upper teeth visibly. If you resemble a monkey, you're doing it right. Now contract and engage your lip corners as well as your upper lip area. Engaged lip corners have a lift in them. They should not look downturned. Now tap on your philtrum along your lip line, upper lip line, for about a minute. You can see me performing this exercise on the other side of the screen. Join me and make sure you're not in public because you don't want people to catch you with this face. In this exercise, you are contracting your weakening muscles in your upper lip area. If you're seeing philtrum elongating exercise across social media like these, then please avoid these exercises. If you are following Blush With Me face yoga routines, then it is my humble request that please do not ruin the elasticity in your upper lip area. On my other face yoga videos that you'll find on my YouTube channel and my face yoga programs that are available for purchase, I have shared excellent exercises to improve the range of motion, how to safely perform stretches in your face and relax your lip and face muscles while you still improve and maintain the elasticity in your lip and mouth area. Like notice in this particular exercise, you are contracting the muscles around your lips, but you're also elongating and improving the range of motion of your lip muscles. Like this exercise that you just performed, you are contracting the muscles around your lip area. But it is not just your lip muscles that are engaged here. You are also working on muscles in your cheek area, in this area. So if you want to develop better cheekbones and you want to have that V shape in your face, then performing this exercise for 1 minute can give you multiple benefits. I highly recommend that you get access to my lip and mouth rejuvenation exercise program because you do need to perform some exercises that help contract the muscles, just like when you work out in the gym, But then there are also exercises that help you improve the range of motion. They elongate certain muscles that have become stiff over a period of time. So overall, I have programs that help you maintain the elasticity in your facial muscles as well as build the strength and plumpiness of your muscles in your entire face and neck. Simply subscribe to my channel and explore my collection of face yoga videos in a dedicated playlist. I prioritize clear explanations of proper form and precautions for each facial exercise and massage techniques. If you're uncertain about your technique or find certain exercises challenging due to your facial aging concerns, you can either complete a form on my website for personalized face yoga coaching, or you can begin with my face yoga masterclass or 21-day face mastery program, which is designed for beginners. All the necessary links are provided in the description below the video. So now proceed to the next solution. So let's say if you're unable to fold your upper lip inward, or if your upper lip is not voluminous enough to fold inward, then here is what you should do. You could use a chewing gum, chew it, elongate it, and place it under your upper lip area between your lip and your gums. So this chewing gum can actually work as that mattress, that volumizing mattress between your lips and gums. I'll explain this technique exclusively in a post, but just for my supporting members. So it's a good time for you to hit that join button and become a supporting member of my channel. For tip number 2, lip plumpers work, but not all lip plumpers are the same. When you see a review where people mention stinging or burning feeling with lip plumpers, some of these plumping lip glosses may contain spicy extracts such as cinnamon, menthol, and even hot pepper. Hot pepper? Check out the label. These are commonly labeled as capsaicin to stimulate blood flow for that same swollen look. You'll notice with these lip plumpers, you will keep licking your lips, trying to soothe the burn. This leaves your lips extremely dehydrated. Instead, consider using a good lip plumper that actually has hyaluronic acid and peptides in it, meaning a lip plumper that will actually anti-age. It has lip treatment in the lip plumper to protect your lip for every second that you have it on your lips. And that is why, after trying a few other lip plumpers, I have settled with City Beauty's City Lips. And I've been using these lip plumpers in different colors, but my favorite is City Lips Clear Lip Gloss. This has been a game changer. I encourage you to go to their website and see the comments from people. You will never hear people see that their lips burn or they feel dehydrated. If anything, this lip plumper is a lip treatment. Better than a lip balm or a lip gloss. It's actually all in one. So City Lips comes in multiple different colors, but some of my favorite ones are, of course, the clear lip gloss, because it can go with any color or even by itself. It looks amazing. When you don't want to apply makeup, but you just want the fullness, the wrinkle-free lip look. My other favorite colors are Crimson and Watermelon. Crimson has that nice deep nude slash brown slash tiny hint of pink color to it, but it really works well with most skin colors if you're looking for a little deep shade. And Watermelon has that punch of brightness that can brighten up your whole look. I do have a City Beauty promo code BLUSH with me for additional discounts that is only available to my Blush with Me community. Go check out their complete range of shades in City Lips. It's funny, but I always have one of the City Lips clear lip glosses, lip plumpers by my bedside, by my makeup area, and one in my handbag. And you've got to trust me on this, guys, because City Beauty hasn't even sponsored this video and I'm still going gaga over this lip plumping treatment. You can imagine how much I must love it. Also, if plump lips are your goal, then avoid any matte lipstick. Matte lipsticks can actually suck the moisture out of your lips, which is how the colors stay so matte. As a bonus tip, here's a little secret on how I use matte colors. I first apply my City Lips Clear Lip Plumping lip gloss, let it settle for 3 to 4 minutes and then wipe it out, and then I apply my matte colors so that all the lip wrinkles and those fine lines can plump out. Recently, some of the other brands had sent me their lip plumpers, but when I saw the ingredients such as cinnamon oil, peppermint oil, ginger, menthol, capsaicin, these lip irritant ingredients can give you the effect of that bee-stung lips, causing them to swell up and flush. They might work well for a few hours, but eventually they dry your lips out. So do your research carefully. If you find any other brands like City Beauty, then please find something that works for you. But this is my recommendation. Third, and this is also going to help your aging lips that are losing collagen and elasticity. But what if I tell you that you don't even have to go to a dermatologist or get an in-office microneedle treatment that could cost you up to $400 per treatment, and you could get the same results by using 𝘪𝙀 from 𝘪șe. This is 𝘪𝙀 2.0. It is a micro stamping tool which stimulates collagen in your skin. It is made of gold-plated titanium bristles. This one has thinner bristles that are safer since micro channels will close up quickly after stamping your skin, which is why I find it easier to use around my lips as well. It is way better than the rollers. You may ask me why. Rollers might seem very convenient, but this device presses down straight onto your skin while the rollers scoop into your skin at an angle. Now, because this enters your skin at a 90-degree angle, it does not cause the epidermis, that is the surface of your skin, to tear like a roller does when it drags across your skin. The tiny bristles here are almost like tiny needles that are stamped across your skin, or let's say in this case, your lips, or even on your scalp. So anywhere on your facial skin. Why just facial skin? Actually, even on cellulites on your legs, by creating very small punctures. Yet again, not sponsored by 𝘪𝙀. I started using it only because the rolling microneedles were creating those tiny tears in my skin. I did not have a very comfortable experience, which is why I started reading more about it and I came across 𝘪𝙀. It has other advantages too. It is so much better for your other skincare products to absorb better into your skin. And you need to use it just once a week. Just like my face yoga exercises, do not start overdoing it just because you start seeing quick results. So here is how I would recommend you use it on your lips if you want to boost that collagen production in your lips and to maintain the elasticity or rebuild some of that elasticity in your lips. So after you cleanse your makeup, stamp it across your lips and also go over the philtrum, go around your lip corners, go all the way down in this area. Hold it for 2 to 3 seconds and release. So it's like 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. You could go all over your face, but right now we are talking about lips. So once you finish doing this for about 30 seconds, grab your favorite lip oil. Lip oils work much better. You know I'm not a big fan of lip balms. So grab either City Lips lip oil, which is my favorite, or any of your favorite lip oils, or even something as simple as ghee, which is also known as clarified butter, and massage it into your lips. I am a big fan of first applying hyaluronic acid serum across my lips. So if you're into that, please go ahead and do it. But if not, definitely use either lip oil or ghee, which is clarified butter, and massage it into your lips. Like I said earlier too, you're not going to see dramatic results, but you will start to see results, not only to reverse, but also prevent what could happen very rapidly. Because notice that once you start crossing your 40s and 50s, the collagen depletes very fast in your skin. So when people come to me and say, start helping me now, I don't know what happened that I've started aging rapidly in the last 1 year. I swear I did not have these wrinkles a few months ago and now I have them. It is all because the collagen is depleting in your skin, and some of the signs that appear fast, and they come so fast that you're not ready to tackle them. When you see your face in the mirror and you feel something changed overnight and you do not look like you did yesterday, trust me, some of the face exercises, face massages, and some of these natural treatments, and using these devices with common sense and using the right kind of devices at the right time, again, will help prevent and also help reverse some of the signs of aging. The goal here is to help you look and feel better for your age and not look older than you are. If you find value in my guidance, then please hit that like button and hit that subscribe button, because I share a video every week. If you're looking for guidance on self-image and face yoga, then I am your coach, �旻Parmita. And here are all my social media handles that you should follow me on. And here is the join membership button. And here is a playlist that I think you will benefit from. So do watch my other videos even after you finish watching this video. I will see you next week. Until then, continue to blush with me.